Why does Lenovo LOQ Essential make student laptops feel outdated?
Ever felt like your laptop is secretly working against you, stuttering in lectures, dying mid-game, sounding like a hairdryer in the library? You're not alone. Thousands of students feel trapped by slow, flashy, overheated machines. Drop "me" in the comments if you're done settling for average. The Lenovo LOQ Essential is about to change everything. Imagine missing the winning play because of frame drops, or watching the battery icon turn red during your final presentation. The stress, the rage quits, the silent resentment toward your own gear. What if one laptop could finally keep up with your grind, without the drama, without the compromise? Keep watching. The Lenovo LOQ Essential is that quiet revolution. Meet the Lenovo LOQ Essential AI-powered student gaming laptop that turns chaos into control. Intel Core i5-12450HX plus RTX 4050 with DLSS 3 delivers buttery-smooth 144Hz gameplay while breezing through Comp Sci projects and 4K video edits. One CS freshman went from 47 frames per second stuttering in Valorant to locked 180 frames per second and still aced his midterms because the AI Engine Plus automatically optimizes power so you never choose between ranks and grades again. Picture this: you open Cyberpunk, ray tracing on, and it looks cinematic instead of a slideshow. The advanced cooling with 100mm fans stays whisper quiet in class, then unleashes icy performance when you clutch rounds at 2 a.m. Luna Gray design slides into lectures without screaming gamer. Here's your first mini reward. Comment AI right now, and I'll DM you the exact Lenovo Vantage setting that boosts FPS another 15 to 20%. The Lenovo LOQ Essential isn't just fast, it's unfairly smart.
Students are calling it witchcraft. One engineering senior told me, "I used to close every app to game. Now Chrome with 40 tabs, Spotify, Discord, and Hogwarts Legacy all run cooler than my old laptop idle." Another influencer said on stream last week, "The Lenovo LOQ Essential with RTX 4050 and DLSS 3 is the best-kept secret in budget laptops. I hit 120 frames per second in Alan Wake 2 while rendering a video in the background." Feel that tingle when frames fly and deadlines vanish? That's the Lenovo LOQ Essential, turning pressure into pleasure. Thousands of students have already upgraded and refuse to go back. Notebook Check called it the budget king that punches like a flagship. A dorm full of mechanical engineers now runs simulations and Warzone simultaneously without thermal throttling. Quick question: which feature would save your semester? The 144Hz display that makes scrolling feel like silk? The rapid charge battery that hits 80% in an hour? Or the AI that learns your habits and squeezes every drop of performance? Comment your favorite below. I read every single one. The secret bonus tip at the end is worth staying for.
Stock is moving faster than Valorant ranked queues. Thousands of students have already claimed their Lenovo LOQ Essential and unlocked the hidden AI performance preset that makes everything feel unfair. Don't be the one still lagging next semester. Click the link, secure yours right now, and join the quiet takeover. Comment LOQ me the second you order. I'll personally send you the undefeated settings bundle that pros use. Stop watching winners. Become one. The Lenovo LOQ Essential is waiting to make you unstoppable.